am actually out here washing my Jeep today, and something great came up and I wanted to share it with you. I have grab handles in the back of my Jeep. They're Paracord grab handles. Paracord grab handles are great. They're great to have in the Jeep, but let's talk for a minute about the safety aspects of Paracord grab handles. If you are getting in and out of a vehicle, you're hanging, you're putting your whole weight on this to get in or out of the vehicle. If you are partway in the vehicle hanging on this Paracord grab handle and it breaks, you're going to fall out of the vehicle, and that can be dangerous. But for safety, I wanted to point this out and I wanted to talk about this today. So I am now at the front of my Jeep. These are my grab handles. I have them on the driver's side and the passenger side of my Jeep. They're not Paracord. These are purpose-built grab handles that are meant to be able to support your weight when you are getting in and out of your Jeep. Purpose built for that. These are not Paracords. These are actual grab handles. These are Carolina Metal Masters. I'm gonna go ahead, take a second, flip this around. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the inside so you can see how these are actually mounted. These are not gonna lose their integrity. They're not gonna wear out over time. These are going to be your best bet for safety. If you need handles that somebody can use to support their weight as they're getting in and out of your vehicle. As you can see, these are bolted and they are mounted to the A-pillar in your Jeep. So these are going to be much stronger. They're going to be able to hold the weight, and they're going to be much safer in the long run. So I have them on both the passenger and the driver's side of my JKU. Remember, I do have a set of bar tack grab handles in the back of my JKU on both sides. They are in good condition. I check them regularly. Remember, if you do have the Paracord grab handles, keep eyes on them, check the condition, and do plan to replace those, especially if you ride with your top off.